Hello and welcome to Lattimore Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Riiai HD Live Game Streamer HD streaming box. You can use this box to live stream or record your gameplay from any device that has HDMI out. This device comes with, in the box, an HDMI cable, micro USB cable, and the power cable. For this box to work, you have to have the power connected and you have to have the USB to PC connected, or it will not work. You get HDMI in 2 ports and 1 HDMI out for pass-through. On the front of the unit, you get a input select button and you get your indicator on which input you are on. On the side, you get a microphone in, audio in, and headphone out, along with the power. It is 5 volts. This little box is about 4 inches by 3 inches and about 3/4 of an inch tall. It is plastic. It does feel cheap. It is very good quality. I will show you some video footage of me playing a game with no audio from me. This box, I bought it on Amazon. I paid $76 for it. It is a small package, as you can see, but it works very well. It does on the bottom have some vents, which I recommend you do lift this up off the desk a little bit, or whatever you set it on. It does get quite warm, probably because of all the transcoding it has to do. Again, this is from Riiai. I will put a link in the description for this product. It is a great little device. I like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel and like this video. Hit that bell to get notified when I do upload a video. Make sure you go and visit our website at http://lattimore.com, and we will have a full write-up on this device. I will see you guys in the next video.